This is the Panning Solitaire project pan. This was the Pan That Palette challenge that was chosen for 2020, and it was created by Erin. I'll make sure to have her listed down below. And the idea of it is to kind of pan things in sets. So you do 1, then you do 2, then you do 3, but if you have 2 eyeshadows and 2 and you don't finish 1, then you can't really claim that 3 and 4 are done until 2 is finished. Kind of like in Solitaire, you put your ace down and you can't put your 3 up until you put your 2 up. So that's where the concept of this one kind of came from. You can either do things rolling, like a rolling project pan, or you can put them all in simultaneously. I'm kind of doing it a mix of both. I'm going to be working on some simultaneously and then I'll be rolling in some afterwards, mainly because the few that I picked already, I got hair in my mouth, the few that I picked already, I know I can get out of my collection, and I kind of want to get them out of my collection mainly because I have bigger versions of some are very crumbly. I guess instead of just sitting here and explaining to you what they are, why don't I show you? So Shadow 1 is actually a dupe. It's one of my few products, that is actually in multiple projects. This is the Looxi shade in Halo. This one is super, super crumbly. I don't know what it is about Looxi formulation. I have a few others by them in this project, but it's like you sneeze and they fall apart even if you're not in the same room. I just don't know what it is. They're just very, very fragile. But it is a gold and green kind of highlighter shade. Super pretty, should be easy to use, and that one is very, very breakable. So the next duo I have is Sunshine and Success by Voss. I do have a little bit of glitter glue down right now on my hand, so these will stick. These are part of their Best Life collection, and I did actually end up repurchasing the palette. So I have a couple of little samples of the glitters left over, so I'd like to use those up before diving into the palette, but it's a nice gold and then kind of like a rosy pinky kind of color. Now for the set of 3, the first one I have is the shade Happiness in the Violet Voss collection. So I'm just going to swatch that. And this again is one of their glitters, so same as the last 2. Then we have a mystery shade. This does not have anything written underneath this, and I don't for the life of me remember what it is, but from how crumbly and fall aparty it looks in the pan, I'm thinking it may have been a Looxi shadow. And then lastly, this one is 100% a Looxi shadow. Just gonna hold it very carefully. This is Very Sexy, and this is probably the most broken one of their, ooh crap, oh crap, oh crap. There's another piece just like broke off. Probably the most broken one of their shades that I still have in my collection. So there you are. We have Happiness Glitter, Mystery shade, and Very Sexy. Alright, so for set 4 I have Hugs and Laughs by Violet Voss. Laughs is the iridescent and Hugs is the pinky shade. And then, ooh crap, oh yeah, I'm not sure which one is which. I think Pets is the dark blue one, and then the teal one I do believe is called Happy Hour. Alright, and then the last set I have is the set of 5, and the first 4 are highlighters from, oh, what is it called? I can't remember what the actual palette is called, but it's by UCanB, and it was a dupe palette for the Kat Von D Alchemist. So we have a, what would that be? I think that's supposed to be a blue highlighter shade. Oh, sorry, blue highlighter shade. We also have a green highlighter shade. There's also a pink hued highlighter shade. I actually have that one on as my highlighter and also on my inner corner today. And then we also have a purple highlighter shade. So those are the first 4. Just gonna quickly swatch these. Those are the first 4, and then rounding out, this is Bohemian by Looxi Beauty, and this is probably the least shattered one I have in this project by them. It's so sad because they're pretty much like all over my reusable palettes. Like everything is covered in a Looxi shadow. So these are all the colors we're going to be starting with my single, which was that nice highlighter shade, the two glitters, Happiness and Success from Violet Voss. Then we have, ooh, crap, testing my memory. What was that one called? Sorry, Sunshine and Success by Violet Voss. Then we have Happiness by Violet Voss. Then we have our mystery shade. Then Berry Sexy by Looxi Beauty. Then we have Happy Hour and Pets by Violet Voss. Followed by, oh, I didn't do this so well. Followed by Laughs and Hugs by Violet Voss, which are the last two glitters. Then we have our 4 highlighter shades from the UCanB palette. And then lastly is Bohemian from Looxi. So that is sets 1 through 5. So yeah, when I manage to use these all up, or use a good portion of them up, I'll roll in set 6, but I think this is going to keep me occupied for quite some time, and so is removing this glitter without getting it everywhere, but looking at it so pretty. Like these two down here, oh, so pretty. These two are even pretty. I just love glitter. Alright. I could just be here staring at this for the rest of the day. So yes, that is sets 1 through 5 for panning Solitaire, and I don't know when I will update you, whether it'll be monthly, whether it'll be every couple of months or so, but we'll see how using them and how our progress goes. And yeah, I will update you sometime in the future. Don't forget to check everybody down below, including Erin, who created this, as well as checking out the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group in general, and everybody else who's in this project. I think that's everything I want to say. I will see you in the next video, which is not going to be a project pan. I know, what could it be, hey? But yeah, I will see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.